Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by cutting power at the breaker and verifying with a non-contact tester so you don't risk a shock. Once done, position a ladder securely and lay out a screwdriver, replacement fan, and duct tape within reach. Remove the grill by squeezing the spring clips or removing screws. You'll likely find light dust and a metal housing. Take photos of the wiring and vent orientation so you remember how parts fit when you reassemble. This saves time and prevents mistakes. You'll next disconnect the wiring, turn off the breaker again if needed, and label each conductor or snap a photo to capture the layout. This is how you avoid miswiring. Then unfasten the fan housing from the joists or bracket and gently slide the unit out of the ceiling. Watch for sharp edges. Compare the new fan's dimensions and transfer the existing mounting bracket if compatible, or use the supplied adapter. Make sure the duct and exhaust path align so airflow won't be restricted. You now connect the new fan. Match wires by color or your photos and twist on proper wire nuts, wrapping with tape for insurance. Secure the housing to the joists or bracket. Once mounted, reconnect the duct using foil tape, not duct tape, for an airtight seal, then install the grill. Turn the breaker on and test the fan's motor and light functions. If it doesn't run, make sure the breaker is reset, wiring matches, and the duct isn't obstructed. These 3 checks fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.